Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to cancel Prezi subscription, so your search ends here. Today, in this video I am going to tell you how you can cancel your subscription via email and over the phone call in just some easy steps. So let's get started. Method 1. How to cancel Prezi subscription online? Go to the Prezi website. Log into your Prezi account. Go to the account settings page. Click on the license tab. Tap on the cancel subscription button. Give the answer to some questions. Then, click on the continue button. And you are done. Last question, how to request Prezi refund? If you cancel your Prezi subscription within 14 days of purchasing it and you have not used any of its subscription benefits, then you will get your refund. Go to the Submit a Refund Request page to request your refund. Click on Submit Refund Request. Fill out the form and click the Send button. Your refund request will be submitted to their team. Only by using this method you can cancel your Prezi subscription. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.